Hi, I'm Ryan, and in this short screencast, I will show you how to insert a video type podcast reference into a Word document using EndNote as my referencing technology. So for this assignment, my teaching area is art. My resource type I chose is video podcast. Research technology is YouTube, and referencing technology EndNote. So to start, I searched on YouTube for an appropriate video to use in the classroom, and I found an art tutorial about how to draw a horse. So then I typed up a few paragraphs in my Word document. I have 2 paragraphs about YouTube and what that's all about, and my third paragraph is all about the art tutorial video on YouTube. So the next step was to open EndNote and start my reference. So I've already had numerous practice here, but I'll open up another one so I can show you. So press the plus sign here. You go up to the top where it says journal article, and you go down to web page because that's the type that YouTube is. So for the author, you open up your YouTube, and the author is How to Draw Animals. That's the user name. You can't find their Christian name because they keep that confidential. So I will highlight that. With Mac, I will press Command C to copy that. I will then go back author and Command V to paste. Now it's easier to copy and paste because then you're not going to make any mistakes. The year of that video is 2012, just to double check. It says published in 2012 here. The next step is the title, so again you highlight that, copy it, paste into the title. Now the access year was this year, so it's 2013. Access date, if I remember correctly, was the 10th of April. Now the only other information you need is the URL for a YouTube type reference. So you go up to the top and again you highlight that and copy, and you paste that into the URL there. If you're wanting to save any more information about that YouTube video for later reference, you can enter it to any of these subheadings here. So then you exit that and make sure you press save, and the new one that I've just done will come up here, and the reference will be set out in this bottom right hand box. Now you make sure that is exactly how APA is meant to be set out, which it is. Now when you first open up EndNote, it will be under annotated, which is slightly different. So in this assignment I was asked to use APA, so then I pressed select another style, and there are lots of different styles here, but I went down to APA 6th, that's the one I wanted to use, and that will come up here. So that's my reference all done. Then you go into your Word document, and I'm wanting it after this paragraph because that's what is written about the YouTube video. So then you make sure your cursor's there. You open up EndNote again, make sure the reference you want is highlighted. You go up and click this arrow, insert caption, and it will insert it there. That's in-text reference relating to that paragraph. And then you just type reference, and this here is the end text reference, and that's finished. Make sure you press save, and that's done.